Hey guys, I just wanted to give you an update on where the engine build stands. I know it's been a couple months and people keep asking me about it, so I just wanted to give everybody an update. The engine is still here, all over my floor, all over here, and do not worry, I have not abandoned the project. It is still here, consuming all of my garage. I am still waiting on parts, so hopefully, maybe even within a week, I'm gonna have Jake Rabies ship me everything that I need to rebuild this thing. So stay tuned, don't worry, that is the update, and you will be getting more content as soon as I can get it, because trust me, I want this thing out of my garage as much as you want to see it get built. And the car itself is sitting in my enclosed trailer now, preventing me from using it to take this to the track. So definitely a priority for me to get this thing rebuilt and out of my life.